Hello my beauties. I thank you all my new subs for subscribing, and I thank everyone for watching my videos. I wanted to uplift the outer corners of my eyes, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? I'm happy. Here's some pictures I took in a car. I have deep set, downturn, hooded eyes. That's a little bit too much for one set of eyes, don't you think so? What kind of eye shape do you have? My eyes are already deep set. If I'm gonna deepen the crease, my eyes gonna just look more deep set, and I wanted to avoid that. That's why I left my lid light, and I created the crease above my natural crease line. Let's see how I created this look. So we're gonna create uplifted eye look with this palettes. Look, these palettes, they look just like books on a shelf, isn't it? So cute. I can't just believe how perfect they are together. The exact size, they matching. Oh, I just can't stop looking at those two palettes. Before we start with the eyes, I want to show you this highlighter by Jacqueline. This is minis. I bought it at Ulta. They still have it, $16, and I really love it. Do you see this glow? Oh my gosh, this is my favorite highlighter. I didn't try all of the highlighters, but from what I have tried, this is my favorite. I really love it. That's how it looks. It's shade Iced. Have you tried Jacqueline's highlighter? Let's talk a little bit about structure of my eyes. I have deep set eyes, so I definitely don't need to create or deepen a crease. Instead of deepen the crease, we're gonna lighten the crease. I'm gonna take Moira palette. Which eyeshadows? I'm gonna start with the shade Sweetheart. Applying it to my crease, to my inner corner. Basically, I previously applied eye primer. Now I'm gonna take shade Bewitched to define the eye. I'm applying this eyeshadow way above my crease. It's gonna be a more natural look, more everyday look, not an Instagram very bright look, but it's gonna be more wearable look. You can see this is above my crease. I'm gonna blend these eyeshadows really well so it does look like a shadow instead of dipping the crease over here, because look, I have downturned eyes. So if I'm gonna deepen the crease over here, it's gonna show my downturned eyes. If I want lifted eyes, we're gonna shift all the lines. Glitter glue. We're applying glitter in the crease and above and all over your lid. We're gonna take this topper shade. I'm gonna first apply all over my lid in the crease. Applying it in the crease, that's what's gonna flatten your eyelid, sort of bring it out. We're gonna bring light into the crease. That's what we need. You see what we did? You may need to blend a little bit. I'm gonna do my second eye and be back. We're gonna take eyeshadow marker crayon to tie line. This is by Hard Candy. I really love this. It's so easy to use. You can use multiple ways. You can apply as an eyeshadow, you can all over the lid, then you can apply as a wing. You can use brush and create a wing, or you can create a wing, then you can smudge it up. It's really good. It's waterproof. So we're gonna do a tie line with this. So I'm gonna take it on the brush as we like. Next time I will show you another way how to lift your eyelid. Let's put a little glitter glue on the inner corner, and we're gonna apply the topper shade. Remember last time I told you that my lid looked like a caoutchouc, my lid? You know, if you don't apply too much of the topper shade and you wait a little bit and blend, it gets better. But yeah. Okay, we're just gonna put on the inner corner. It depends who, like what. I like to have glitter in my inner corner. I even like to bring it a little down, but it's up to you. I'm gonna buff the edges. I'm gonna do my second eye and I'll come back to do mascara. I'm gonna take Jacqueline's highlighter and go on the brow bone. Okay, now another important step is the mascara. I could apply lashes, but I like my natural lashes too. Not every time I feel like applying lashes. I'm gonna use the I'm using the Falsies Push Up Angel by Maybelline. Look at this brush. I never thought I would like this kind of brush, but I really love it. I like how it grabs all the lashes on the outer edge. I'm gonna start from doing this motion by the roots and bring it up to the edge of my lashes. But I'm gonna kind of keep it at the roots. That will give them a curl. For me, it's important to cover all the lashes by the roots. It may take longer, but the result worth the time you spend. This is first coat. We're gonna do second coat now. For the second coat, I'm gonna go above just one time to saturate the lashes, and now again from the bottom Okay, this is 2 coats. Should we do third one? Okay, let's do the third coat. The end lashes, I pay attention, they all saturated in mascara. I always wrinkle in my forehead when I do lashes. I don't like that. The third coat, I'm gonna more like checking the separation. So what do you think? How do you like that? This is how I do my lashes. Guys, if you have any tips or any questions, ask it in comments. I'm gonna do my second eye and I'll be back. We keep creating. I think I'm gonna take this duochrome shade that we use for wing and on a small angle brush, and I'm gonna create this corner to define your eye even more and make it look bigger. As much as I try to create a wearable look for every day, but I think it's not exactly everyday look. But anyway, I think I'm gonna add Bewitched shade in the bottom, like over here and under the wing. I think that will be better. Soften this light blue. I think I need to I really like how it stays on. I love to tie line because it makes my eyelashes look longer. You know, you can even use it for your brows. I have another shade. I'm gonna do my second. Next product by Hard Candy is the Soft Glide eyeliner. Gorgeous. Stroke of Gorgeous eyeliner. It's light blue. I'm gonna apply this on my waterline and lash line. I'm gonna clean the black from upper waterline. I'm applying it on the lash line now. Bring it all the way to the inner corner. All the way. I'm trying to saturate even eyelashes in this pencil. And I'm gonna make a wing like that. My brow is ending over here, so then we can fix it if we need to. For example, with this tape. You see what we did? And over here it's all the way to the inner corner. We're creating this visual effect. Now we're gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna dip into Jason Brodier. Wait, Jason Brodier. Okay, is it? Okay, before I'm gonna take glitter glue on similar pencil brush. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna apply over here where I'm gonna put the wing. You can take away the leftover. I like to use these Q-tips. I got it in Walmart. See the pointy one? They also have with like a flat. Really love this. Very comfortable. We're gonna leave some light blue showing. I'm gonna take an angle, very small angle brush to apply along lash line. If you need to take more blue, do so. So now guys, we're gonna take this Bewitched again, and over here we're gonna above the crease, we're gonna make this eye shape. We can go over a little bit here. That will make your eyes look bigger than they really are. You see what I mean? And you keep tweaking, you know, as you like it. We're gonna tweak as we like. Dip in here more. I'm just going to do it quickly. I don't know, time running so fast. I gotta go pick up my daughter from school. So here we are, guys. Sometimes you create as you create. You always come out with some kind of different look than you expecting to create. So most important thing for the deep set eyes, don't deepen your crease. If you deepen your crease, do it only in a corner and pick it up, raise your crease area, but don't deepen the crease like in the middle. No way, because your eyes gonna look even more deep set than they already are. Guys, thank you for watching. Join my Instagram channel, subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you again. Bye.